I need to kill a myth, and that myth is that prompting AI is some special skill. Truthfully, it's not a secret language. There's no club you have to join. And I like to think of it this way. If I were to have a substitute professor walk into my classroom and I just said, teach chapter 4, that person would be very unprepared. But if I brief that person with my course materials, with my students' level of understanding, my learning goals, what students always struggle with, then I'm going to get a completely different result. That substitute's going to be prepared for class. And that's all prompting is, briefing. So I built a framework that I call brief. And these are the 5 things every prompt needs to actually work. So the first letter is B, and that's for background. This means like, what is the core? What kind of course is this? What topic are we covering? And what kind of students am I teaching? R is for role. What do I want the AI to act like? In this case, I want it acting like a high-level instructional designer for a university course. I is for inputs. What materials am I giving it? A textbook chapter, maybe my notes, an article, maybe a rubric, or an assignment prompt. If you skip the input step, you're just asking a robot to guess what's in your syllabus. When we ground the AI in our specific textbook or journal article, we aren't just prompting, we're peer reviewing. E is for expectations. What exactly do I want it to produce? A lecture outline, discussion questions, skeletal notes, study notes, slide ideas. F is for format. How do I want the answer organized so I can actually use it? And that's it. That's brief. 5 things.